So today I'm gonna be installing this latch on that door right there. So this is my garage, and on the second floor is not being used. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the second floor as a storage, and I'm gonna put my personal things up there. And because I'm gonna be putting my personal things up there, I want to put, you know, a lock on it. So, and just to show you how it's gonna look, just to give you an example, and I'm doing this with one hand. This is how it will look. Alright, not really too bad. As you can see, just to give you a quick glimpse, I have a lot of space up here on my second floor garage. So I'll be using it. Oh, I dropped it. I'll be using it as a storage. And just to show you the tools that I have, of course I just have a lock, I have a drill, I have a little drill bit, and this is to drill a pilot hole. So I don't want to split the wood, so I'm gonna drill a little pilot hole and then put the screws in there. I got some tape and a pen. The reason I got tape is because when I try to draw a mark, I don't really see it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a piece of tape, I'm gonna lay it in there, you know, I'm gonna mark the tape so I'll be able to see it. Then I'll drill in like that. And I got a flashlight pointing up for some extra light, just to show you, for some extra light, as you can see. So with the flashlight there, that'll help me see just a little better, and that's about it. I took my time with it because as I'm taking my pen and I'm circling like this, I'm actually moving it. All right, so now I got my holes. Again, let me just make sure. And you always want to go slow. You don't want to go too fast, because the whole idea of doing this is to prevent splitting the wood. And I have my safety glasses as well, but because I'm not standing directly under it, I didn't put it on. But it's really important to always have it. It's always important to have it, just in case, because you never know. The next thing too is I need to drill the holes for this over here. But I'm gonna put this in first, just to, I'm gonna tape it in just to check, just to make sure I'm good. So I just taped the latch piece onto here. So now I want to see how this is going to look. So this is going to be right here. This is going to be like about that. Just like that. It's going to be like that. And now, I'm gonna mark it again, the holes, the drill holes. I'm gonna grab the camera just to give you. Damn, I'm getting tired. All right. So now I'm gonna screw this in first. I'm gonna screw this in second. These are the screws that came with the latch. See, they're pretty small. I'm gonna put these in here. Oh. And I gotta run back in the house. I got the wrong screw to fit in there. I'm getting this place ready for rent, so don't mind the mess. Oh, exactly what I was looking for. Right here. Pretty tight, as you can see. It's not moving or anything. You see I'm trying to jiggle it, it's not moving. It's pretty good. Put these in. I just dropped on my screws. That's it. You can see it's in there, it's not moving. This is how it would look. That's it. Just to get a better view, a different view from far away. That's how it look. Just got the lock. I just got a lock. There we go. That's it. That's about it.